Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Dogeman Realm. I wasn't recording, but I'm hosting a mob. We're doing like peace between all nations. Uh, yeah. There's the peanut butter jelly time music is playing in the background, but I can't do that because it's copyrighted. I'm dancing too. You know, we all. So this is our base up here. You guys don't get too rowdy. I'm recording. Okay. It's fine. Yeah, that guy just saluted. Dang. So I don't really know what to do. Oh, let's get in the van. The reason I wanted the whole peace thing was because, you know, I'm like in the whole Dogeland thing, but I also have a cat named Meow, which is, nuzzling my feet right now. Uh, 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 not yet. Uh, eek! Okay, y'all, let's go over here. Oh, thanks. Okay. Also, you have been promoted. Awesome. Yay. Okay. Lance Corporal. That's a big responsibility. I'm not gonna leave the Dogeland, because if I leave it, like, at this point, then, you know, I'll just, like, you get it. So I'm not gonna leave, like, anytime soon anyways. Uh, oh my gosh. Uh, oh, I see. Oh my gosh, I got a case. Whoa. Oh, wow, okay. Uh, oh, there's music. There's music playing. Uh, this is a nice view. I got reflexes. I was training from earlier on. You stand so majestically. I was training earlier on that bridge where those two trucks are. So if they try to, so if one of these guys are, a traitor, then, uh, I got reflexes. Uh, yeah. Uh, hmm. So, Okay.